subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Milford 0. I'm joined by Umenier, Matiski,
Stibos,
and Jebe.
Hola, Steve.
Until I didn't just a game, until.
Hola.
Menyerutsi football is a game of
Yes, petty. All right.
I missed it.
Yeah, 3 minutes,
Sure.
38 seconds.
Sure.
Game iqali.
Sure.
Densin.
Yeah.
Udlala over i-defense eMilford
Okay.
for uMuremi.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, uMuremi lamshiya ibhola.
Yeah.
Ugoalkeeper weMilford waphuma washaya i-diving header.
Sure.
Siyabuya second half.
Yeah.
Usiyema.
Yeah.
Wenza the very same thing ebenza ubani uDensin.
Yeah.
Udlala over i-defense yani yeMilford.
Sure.
Fortunately this time around uMuremi uthayima irun yakhe.
Kamnandi.
Thatha ibhola qeda ngani qeda ngogoalkeeper udla ini inet same ball edlala uDensin 3 minutes 38 seconds liyafana nebhola edlala ubani usiye. Football is a game of patterns. All right, asiqalelana ke Steve.
Because yaphindwa
asiqale la. There is 4 ways to create a superiority ebholeni.
Explain.
4 ways to create a superiority. For namhlanje sizofocusa kwi-1. Right? Sizofocusa kwi-positional superiority.
Sure.
If ngithi positional superiority ngiqonda ukuthini in terms of i-positioning njengoba sise-groundini angithi wonke umuntu usuke ne-position akusuke kumele ayidlale.
Sure.
So now if sithi thina we were superior to the-opponent positionally, which means indlela bese sipositiona ngayo whether defensively or mid or offensively bese better than i-opponent.
Sure.
Asibuyeleni la second goal. Usiyema ukhansela i-through ebidlalwa eMilford.
Sure.
Which means defensively positional base position grand. Right?
Yeah.
And then uma eyiwina wenze njani? Udlala over i-defense yani yeMilford.
Sure.
Udlalela bani? uMuremi. uMuremi naye ubase position grand. Remember 3 minutes 38 seconds ubenga positionanga grand. There is why la bhola lenze njani limshiyile. So now ukwazile ukuthi enze njani azi position grand. Umuntu oqalile ubani uSiyema was positioner grand and then uMuremi wakhona uthi ebithe i-offside trap nani ne-speed wadla ini wadla inet isithipho. So lento lesitshengisile ukuthi defensively we superior to iMilford, offensively we superior to iMilford. Omunye umuntu engayitshela ukuthi lento ibe easy or why this time around uMuremi ukuthi afike kulela bhola. The reason why uMuremi okanye the reason why uMuremi ekorile today it's because of uKabelo Khositsile. Omunye umuntu lothi abathi kanjani because uKabelo bengekho involved. All right. uKabelo immediately uma eqeda ukintroduce immediately first touch yakhe washaya imoto waba i-threat to iMilford. So now baba nenkinga entsha. Remember bekade khishwa police, right? I-first half ka police noMuremi bengekho grand. So now uma khishwa police kufaka uKabelo Khositsile. I-first touch yakhe uma engena ekhombisa ukuthi uzoba ingozi. Uyabona i-focus manje ya shifta from uMuremi siya kubani kuKabelo Khositsile. Ngalesikhathi i-shift yaKabelo bayakhohlwa uMuremi. The very same Muremi oshaya imoto njengobani njengoKabelo. So now umuntu uyachecka lela goal lesi2 uSiyema maybe inibhola abamchallenge because babheke uKabelo I think around about some player 2 babheke uKabelo no Radio Pan. There is why uMuremi wazi ukushaya irun behind i-defense yani yeMilford.
Sure.
Football is a game of patterns.
Uthwere Njebe.
Kuyakhabula. All right. Asibuyelana asibuyelelana. There is something eyenzakalile nge-first half abantu abaningi engingase bayinotisanga.
Sure.
Police meqeda ukukora. I-free kick leya.
Sure.
Uranile waya opposite i-direction ye-bench kuleli khona leli esingajwayele ukucelebrate kulo, right? I-bench lethu la calculate ukuthi angeke sifike ngale, right? uSipho Chine wasuka epalini wagijima ebenchini wabathethisa. Remember first game of the season le, right? Which means first goal yani yePirates kule season. So now sidinga ukuthi si celebrate sonke. Ngalesikhathi ebasusa ebenchini esabambo celebrate kuleli khona amajita avusa ikhanda bowa police kuleli khona bebekulo basuka baya ku baya ngale ngoba ekuqaleni uma kuqala isizini uma senza into enhle sonke kumele senze njani kumele celebrate sijabule inkosi ithela umusa kubona bonke
abafana sibonge Menieer
Danke
sibonge Menieer ya